Amenta keski balang ka khatsan trek uyayong o konra sangma Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ulahir Nongstoiñ ben Plie ke Ingdorbar bethamai kabalate hajrong jang kamala kabalai jang ka market complex hashwa bun Plie ke te ke Ingdorbar o Myntri Rangbah ulalej ben pej iki nongsynshar madan hayo Nongstoiñ mat yakran bat ke riew paidbah ki bayat bayeng hadian kata ulalej ben Plie ke te ke Ingdorbar hadian bulada ben Plie ke Ingdorbar la penlong ye ke jingalang balingkot ha kabala penya do ba ji mar banyang secretary jang ka Shnong new Nongstoiñ balayo ya ka jingkrat lingkot na uba Gabriel wa lang MLA bat uba Srali Rashir MDC ka motion road uba long ro usardar jang ka Shnong new Nongstoiñ.
Re-examining the proposal, rediscussing with the Honourable ïadei and discussing with the local people. And then within this year itself, we will sanction the funds for a synthetic turf come a playing field, whether natural turf or artificial. We will discuss in detail because artificial turfs have got their restrictions. You cannot have other activities in it. Whereas if it's a natural turf, you can have other events also. So there is a plus and there is a minus to artificial turf. But as I said, before we take the final decision, I will discuss in detail, especially with the local people and the local ïadei. But I would like to assure you that a full sports infrastructure having synthetic track for athletics and a field to play football, whether natural or artificial, will start this year. I will sanction it this year itself. It is confirmed. So I want to announce that we will be doing that also. At the same time, the road from Nongstoiñ to a Software area, which the Honourable ïadei has already announced also, close to about 27 or 25 crores has already been sanctioned, and therefore that road also, the work, we expect the work under CRF, the road has been sanctioned. It's the Government of India's sanction. That also has been approved. So I expect that the tendering and the work for that project also will start very soon. To conclude, the memorandum that has been submitted by the new Nongstoiñ Sports Social and Cultural Club, Honourable ïadei has already briefed me about this memorandum, and he has put in a special request that the gallery, which has been requested by the new Nongstoiñ Sports Social and Cultural Club, needs to be sanctioned because this field and this venue is used multiple times by the public as well as even the government, and hence this would be a blessing for the people at large, and hence I am happy to announce that I will be sanctioning necessary funds for this particular project and this. I will not be able to take much time. I was supposed to come for one program in Nongstoiñ today because I have a lot of work back in Shnong. But when I informed the local MLAs about my program, from one program, now the program has gone to 7 programs. So I have 7 programs today, and hence I will not be able to spend too much of time. I would have loved to stay here and discussed and spoken and interacted with all of you, but due to paucity of time, I'm not able to do that. But once again, I would like to thank the Ingdorbar and the entire traditional heads, the members, and all the organizing committee members for for having invited me here. It is truly an honor, and I will be very, very happy in the future to continue working closely. As you are aware, our government has always believed that true development can only happen if we work with our community and our local leaders.